So guys, today it's me and Mabel, aka Eminem, and we're here and we're gonna make some cake because we're big as hell. Let's get to it.
So guys, it's our cooking show.
I already did the intro.
Oh my.
Oh. Mom, did you only give us one mix? Cooking. Chat, we're cooking. I'm getting the bowls. Big bowls.
Are you just gonna edit?
Yeah, big bowl.
And how do you like to
Stop, Mabel.
quit?
Stop, we're gonna pour.
How about you do the mixing and then I'll do the adding.
I'm mixing it. Italiano.
You should just like come back to me.
It's Saturday tomorrow.
Tomorrow after whatever. Adding it, let's go.
Honestly, should.
Okay,
What do you need to do now?
Heat up.
Oh my god.
We have to add like milk or water or something.
So, you need. I get to do that now.
You didn't see it. You didn't see anything.
Step 1. 360-50 degrees Fahrenheit.
360-50.
How do you set the clock?
I'm just
How do you set the oven?
done.
Okay.
Anyways,
It's preheating. Oh. Voila.
it's preheating, guys. Preheating.
Okay, so, step 1. Add mine. We already did that. Step 1. Mix cake, water, and oil. Water, oil, and eggs in large bowl with mixer medium.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Okay. Mix. How much water?
Mix.
1 cup of water.
One.
2, 3 of these.
Yeah, cause look here. It's the.
Oh. Okay. Alrighty. Do I use tap water or normal or drinking water?
Drinking water. Toss it.
Ugh.
Yes. So, 1. It's hot water, by the way.
Or not? You're gonna cook the batter before we even do it. Is that possible?
2.
Hey, I'm supposed to be doing the adding.
I'm sorry.
You're a cheater.
I am.
I'm gonna kick you off. Yeah. Kick you.
Mixy.
Go get a fork or something.
Now we need to do.
We need
3 eggs before we mix it.
We're getting paper towel to put the fork on after we mix it because we're smart people.
Yeah, we are, because we don't want to make a mess. Scooch. 3 eggs. You put 2 and I put 1.
No, you do the mixing. Get out of here.
We need an actual mixing thing.
1.
Where's a mixer whisk? Mixer whisk. A whisk mixer. Where's a whisk mixer? Where's a whisk? Where's the whisk mixer? We're not gonna use a fork. Oh my god, it's right here.
3.
Oh yeah, there's no whisk.
Yeah, you have to use a fork. I always use forks.
Oh my god.
We're poor people. We're poor people. Send money, please. Send 50 Robux.
Yes. So,
I
where
got eggs on my hand.
there's like a Mabel.
There's like a pouch in the bottom of this egg. It's squishy.
It's probably for.
We forgot to wash our hands.
We're disgusting.
We're disgusting people. Do the mix. mixing?
I'm mixing.
The mixing.
So guys, so this is what it's looking like so far.
Why are they talking about kidnapping me?
I don't know.
Mix it up, you
could-
weirdo.
Wait, you could come over because Arbo's coming over. It looks like.
Vegetable oil. We need 1 3 cups. Like this one. 1 3 cup of vegetable oil.
1/3.
1/3, whatever. I don't know what the hell it says.
No, that's vinegar. It's vinegar. Oh.
No, it's not. You liar. She's trying to sabotage us. Do you see what she's doing?
Well, I'm sorry. We're
What if?
we're doing.
Nope. No. Okay. Hold on, guys. Sorry. Okay. I think. Okay, whatever. 1/3. Alright, put the phone down.
No, I.
Want me to, I can come back in like half an hour.
Yeah,
Okay,
I was thinking that. I have eyelash glue.
but I wanna pick you up before dinner though, because after dinner we head right out.
What's Arbo doing?
Come and hang out with us. I found this one along the way.
Mix now. It's instant.
Where's the fork? Oh.
Good call. No. Damn it. Wait.
So this is what it's looking like.
You want them to be able to see your face, and then like you can just show them. Yeah. Okay.
She's the real YouTuber here.
Yep. So I'm famous on TikTok.
Actually,
Yes, I am. Yeah, I showed you that one video.
what video?
The acne one.
Acne?
Yes.
What acne one?
I said acne. Are you done yet? I love the taste of salmonella. You don't lick it from the thing.
Mabel. Okay, I'm sorry for
you
the
got-
background music.
You gotta
It's
open
not
these.
background.
Open the scissors. Open these. Watch me open these because
Taste test.
Oh no.
you don't open.
That's
the
a
container.
good taste.
She just hit me with my top hat. Do you see how a big disgrace she is? Like, brother.
Okay.
You're not kidding.
That's not enough, but like. Mabel. Put this down. Putting it in the container. Okay, let me. Ew. Take a little bit. Did you already? Here. This is all I get. You're big.
No, I'm not. Okay, stop. No.
Mom. Look.
Just like one it's because I'm spreading it
No.
around.
Mabel.
We should do Alphabet and Glinda. You have way more.
No, I don't. See? No, I don't. Okay, I'll just give you some back. Butt cheeks. We're gonna pop these in the oven right here, right now, today. Let's go.
Yeehaw, that's right.
Mom, how long do we put that in there?
Where's the box? Read the.
Okay. Mabel, you're gonna get salmonella.
Yeah, don't give it to him. He's laying there nothing to show.
You're disgusting. Well, I guess I'm getting salmonella with you. Wait.
We need a napkin.
Look at the Bakudeki slime. Wait, where is it? It's right there. Right here. Bakudeki slime.
Bakudeki slime. Bakudeki slime. Got the green paint. Got the orange paint. Put it in your face like Drake. Oh my god. Stop, you're gonna get salmonella. Mabel, put the
Yummy stuff. I did a lot when I was younger when I made cake.
That makes sense.
We have to put them in the oven. How do I flip this? I'm gonna record you now. Put them in the oven. That's too bad. All right. Here goes Chef Mabel.
We always have to use our feet for everything.
Here she is.
Bowling. It's too hot.
Worst cameraman ever.
You are. I don't think it suits your thing.
Now we wait. And while we wait, we are gonna...
Wait, we have to set a clock.
Alexa,
Set a timer for 20 minutes, no 15.
20 minutes, starting now.
it was 29, but if it's uncooked, we'll just put it back in.
It's a tiny little bit, so we don't want it to be burnt.
You don't see me.
So, house tour.
So distinguished. They're all done.
So now we're going to put icing.
We gotta start decorating them. This is one of the sprinkles that we're using. Wherever that is.
It's just a whole pack of sprinkles.
We're gonna make multiple colors. Pecan.
Tell me so slay.
What colors do you want?
Pink and green.
Bro,
Give your.
I'm gonna make red. Whoa. Are we using knives?
We should do just like different colors. I kind of want mine to be like a blue, and then shade it.
This is cake reveal. Here's mine. Here's hers.